What we like about CAUKIN's approach is that it's inventive.
The design sort of stemmed from the idea of the bee colony acting as one organism, even though it's made up of thousands of different parts.
Every piece is connected to another piece, and that represents the way that the bees work in a hive. Everyone works together.
We were looking at trying to create something quite tall, something quite unusual, impactful, that would draw people up to this site.
And they've come up with something that is eye-catching, using everyday materials. So they've used scaffold poles, timber that you can buy from a timber merchant.
It's been really fun, hard work, but fun, and a really good opportunity to get experience.
I guess being at the Eden project in general is a bit surprising, and just seeing how actually impactful the pavilion will be.
We are facing a crisis with pollinators, and it's really important that people understand and are encouraged to take steps to improve habitats for pollinators.